say to him, Alush Verishek Shikshaguna, Rakit Sikhi. Says Madame Shah, it's Christmas.
What's this, Julia? How much you taking off?
Uncle, Hazin.
This is Pete, the kid I am talking. I looks okay to me. Как дела? Okay. How you doing?
Looks okay, yeah. You want to run without.
Good. Good.
Hazin,
You see? Yeah, the deal. Now he's back. You let him alone. Оставь его. It's obviously some psychological thing.
Hebben jullie smeegasten?
Da-da-da-da-da.